can't take this anymore. Let's hope for some good news today, alright? What? Hi everyone, this is Pete here. Welcome to the channel. So today I want to do a very quick video to talk about Sea Limited, alright? It fell more than 13% when Tencent announced that they're going to reduce their holdings in Sea Limited, and yesterday it fell another 6%. So that brought Sea Limited to down almost 20% in just 2 days. So what's going on? And I'll share with you my thinking about Sea Limited at this video. So what essentially happened? So basically, Tencent just sold some of their shares amounting to $3 billion worth, and this number got everybody panicking. But if you look into context, actually $3 billion worth of shares for Tencent is actually just about, wait for it, 2.7% of the total shares in Sea Limited. So Tencent still holds about 18% of Sea Holdings outstanding shares. But the key thing is this move was actually used to reduce Tencent's voting power to less than 10%. Now, why is this important? Because right now, Sea Limited is going to a country whereby Chinese influence is very much not welcome, which is India. Alright, so by reducing the number of shares and subsequently reducing the voting power of Tencent, even though they hold 18% of the shares, their voting power now is further reduced to less than 10%. And the CEO, Forrest Li, is the only one that has more than 50% voting power. So I think overall, this is very good for Tencent on a few fronts. Firstly, I think this will allow Sea Limited a smoother entry into India, which is a huge market for the e-commerce sector. We have seen Sea Limited achieving success in the South America side, and definitely we want to see if they can achieve the same success in India. And given that India is such a big market, this is going to be massive for Sea Limited. And I think this overall is also good for Sea Limited in the long run, because for the longest time, Sea Limited has always been treated like a Chinese company by the stock market. Whenever the Chinese stock plummet, Sea Limited get punished as well. However, we know that actually Sea Limited is not a Chinese company, but a proud Singapore company, although it's run by Chinese nationals. So I believe right now it would be a good time for Sea Limited to actually distinguish itself as a Singapore company instead of being misunderstood as a Chinese company. So where will Sea Limited price go? I think in the short run it's going to be really volatile, but I think in the long run, if Sea Limited continue to execute on the e-commerce front and continue to generate good cash flow from the gaming side, I think this is overall a great news for Sea Limited. So I think the share price drop is a bit overreacting. I don't know about you, but I know what I'll do in the coming days ahead. Alright guys, that's all I have. I hope you like my analysis on the issues regarding Sea Limited. How do you feel when the share price of Sea Limited dropped by 20%? Alright, put in the comments below. And last but not least, it will really help this channel a lot if you give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!